James Emery from Emery Soft Fruits Limited, based in Hampshire. Third generation strawberry grower, producing 1,600 tonnes per annum and 500 tonnes of raspberries. I've been working with packaging automation for over 2 years now, with the MiWeigh scale system and the heat sealing machine. Was introduced to PA during some very well grower benchmarking sessions, and was very impressed by the statistics on their giveaway and reliability. So we introduced PA into our Packhouse 2 years ago, and have been working with the MiWeigh scale system and Revolution heat sealing machine. What I like about the scale system is the simplicity of it, the fact that I can move workers from one line to line 2 very quickly, very easily, just unplugging a scale and plugging it into the second line. So the extra flexibility that gives us, and the fact that the workers can fob into each scale, and I can record their productivity and highlight workers who are in need of extra training. The setup of the lines is so simple and can be either done in the Packhouse office by the manager or by the line leaders inside the Packhouse. All the recipes are pre-stored, and it links to all of the scales and the checkweigher with the click of a button. The traffic light system makes it easy for the operator. With if it's a red light above the scale, you take a berry out, or if it's a red light below the scale, you put a berry in. Simple as possible, making it as fast as possible for them to weigh. The recipes are all preloaded, so the minimum weights and maximum weights are all pre-stored in there, so the line leader doesn't need to worry about that, or customer specifications, because each customer can have their own recipe. The integration with the checkweigher is fantastic. At the click of a button, we change the recipe on the scales and the checkweigher, so there's no downtime. The checkweigher is the brain of the scales, so it's constantly turning the scales when it needs more weight or less weight to get that minimum down as low as possible. Our giveaway is below 0.3 of a gram, even on short production runs, which is fantastic. Once the job's finished, the line leader closes the job inside the Packhouse, and the reports are automatically emailed to the Packhouse manager inside the office. At a click of a button, it's printed out and attached to the traceability for the BRC audits. The reports include the cost of each production run, which enables us to make sure we're being as efficient as possible, and can even be broken down to what each individual worker has done during the day. The workers love the big screen above the line, so they can monitor how long they've got left on each job, and it makes it a little bit competitive between them about who can pack the most punnets in each production run. The points of difference PA offer are the servicing team, the reliability of the heat sealing machine, not just the top speeds of the heat sealing machine, but the less downtime we have, the less pot crushes we have during the production runs. The flexibility of the MiWeigh scales has been really good, being able to move workers between lines, which has increased our efficiency. And the fact that we've been able to integrate the new equipment into the existing machinery, like the conveyor belts and the tables, has really brought the cost of the investment down. Very happy with the decision to move to a PA line. The service team have been fantastic. Any little issues with the line, they come out very quickly to repair. The software is continuously being updated, and the flexibility and value for money was good, enabling us to integrate the new equipment into our existing equipment to keep the costs down.